There are some places you see in pictures and wonder, can it really look that beautiful in real life? Well, welcome to Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland. Nestled between these enormous cliffs in the Swiss Alps, Lauterbrunnen feels like something straight out of a postcard. Beautiful Swiss houses, green meadows, snow-covered mountains in the distance, and waterfalls everywhere you look. In fact, Lauterbrunnen Valley is famous for its many waterfalls cascading down these dramatic cliffs. But there is one waterfall that immediately grabs your attention. Staubbach Falls. Falling almost 300 meters from the cliff above the village, Staubbach Falls is the landmark you simply cannot miss when you come to Lauterbrunnen. From down here, it already looks incredible, but then we found out that there is a trail that takes you much closer to the falls, and obviously, we had to go up. Lauterbrunnen is actually very close to we stayed this time. It's just 10 to 15 minutes drive from our Airbnb. As we walk through the beautiful village, the waterfall keeps getting bigger and bigger in front of us. Soon, we reach the base of the falls, and from here, the real adventure begins. The trail starts climbing towards the Staubbach Gallery, parking, and you don't have any entrance ticket fee. The hiking is not that difficult. Apart from that, it takes an hour time. From the base, you can continue uphill on the Staubbach Gallery trail. Now this is the exciting part. The path climbs into the cliff, passes through a tunnel, and follows stairs and a secured walkway that brings you very close to the falling water. Expect spray and impressive views back across the Lauterbrunnen Valley. If you ever visit Lauterbrunnen, don't just take a picture of Staubbach Falls from the road. Walk towards it, hike up the trail, feel the mist, and experience the waterfall up close. Because sometimes, the best views are the ones you have to walk a little closer to discover. Welcome to Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland, the Valley of 72 Waterfalls. I hope you like my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe for some exciting, unforgettable memories which we want to share with you all.